I'm going to rapid fire questions, 4 or 5 questions. Lakshmi and Gopal, both of you also can join in. Your answer should be yes or no or in one word. So you can unmute your mics. When you look at technology solving problems, where are the real bottlenecks? Is it imagination? Is it science? Is it technology? Is it resource of funds? Is it people skills, quality of data, lack of collaboration, poor governance? Pick your choice. Maybe we start with Chris.
The model that we
Only
use.
one choice there.
Model. We have to think about the right model.
Okay. Keshav?
Maybe it's will, lack of will.
Okay. Mahesh?
I think it's lack of innovation. I mean, we just need to, we've not given ourselves enough time to think out of the box.
Lakshmi?
A mindset change, not just the behavior change, a mindset change and switch to collaborative mindset.
Nice, okay. Gopal, are you going to chip in?
No, I'm good, Harish. Bye. I'm good. Yeah.
Okay, all right. If there was a magic wand to some one social issue to disappear from the country, which issue that would be?
So for me, right now, healthcare is top of my mind. That's my priority.
For me, healthcare as well.
Sorry?
Healthcare as well. I think that's
healthcare.
the
Okay. All right. No. Professor Mahesh?
I think digital literacy is something that we need. I mean, because that's the future. It's an enabler for a much brighter future.
Okay. Lakshmi?
I would say equity, availability of resources across all the people. I mean, simple thing, bandwidth. Well-endowed people have access to good education, whereas the people who do not are disadvantaged.
Okay. If you are an investor with say $100 million, which sector you will invest in? Krish?
Harish, I'm going to come back to healthcare because again, my focus today is on healthcare. And if I choose an alternate and I'm going to break your rule, I would actually look at agriculture because we need to address the farmers of this country also. 40% of the people dependent on agriculture and we need to help them.
Okay. Keshav?
Cyber security, I think biggest opportunity of the future. I would encourage anyone attending this discussion to go and take a look at Cyber Smart, which Lakshmi spoke about right at the beginning. WNS is offering to children in India. We have only 516 million people accessing the net today in India, of which 72 million are adolescents. Potential for us to add another 800 million is huge. It is also one of the biggest business opportunities for India.
Mahesh?
I think in building world-class private research universities, we don't have any in India at all. I think that's the way by which a country shows that we've transitioned from fully government-supported tertiary education to saying we can do this by ourselves.
Lakshmi?
I would invest in only future technologies, electric vehicles, telecommunication, satellite-based communications, etc.
Okay. To build a healthy startup ecosystem, if you look at the various phases of the startup cycle, from ideation to funding, to scaling, to monetizing, to ease of merger and acquisitions, which segment we have to focus on in strengthening it? Chris?
So to me, mentoring and directing them to look at the right way to build a company is very, very important. And I'm going to illustrate this by saying, I strongly feel that we must actually endeavor to build a profitable company before scaling. Our model right now is, build for scale, right? We should build a profitable company before scaling, so that, if you fail, you are still a profitable company, so you don't close down the business. So mentoring is very important.
Ideation.
Yeah,
ideation
yeah.
from my perspective. I think thanks to our education system, we have too many copycats. India has the potential to actually come up with completely new disruptive ideas we don't have to copy.
Okay. Professor?
I can't improve upon what Chris said. Exactly what Chris said. That's the need.
I see. Okay. Lakshmi?
Research-based new ideas. I'd like to see a vaccine come out of India.
Now, if one technology you have to pick, all the current technologies from artificial intelligence, genomics, biotech, nano to 3D, whatever, which technology will make a maximum impact in solving our social problems? Chris,
Harish,
we'll start from you.
very easy to
One
answer.
technology you have to pick.
AI and ML, because that's the horizontal that touches everything.
Okay. Keshav?
AI ML for me as well.
Oh, I see. Okay. Professor?
I think the same, and specifically looking at healthcare again, that's an area where it's not made the kind of headway for whatever reason, regulations, etc. But that's one space that's very promising.
Lakshmi?
I'll broaden it by saying data and data sciences.
Okay, all right, thank you. And the last question I have a series of questions from the audience, which I'll take it up next. And the last question I have is, if the government were to grant one wish, make one reform, what would that reform be?
Throw out all the regulations and restart.
Sorry?
Throw out all the existing regulations and restart.
Restart, okay. Keshav?
I think hand over healthcare completely to the private sector, including the government hospitals.
Professor?
I think deregulate education seriously. I think lay out the broad framework of measuring outcomes, but let 40,000 colleges devise their own curriculum. I think we have to empower the grassroots in education in a big way.
Lakshmi?
Clip the wings of the bureaucrats. Send them home.
Okay.